Baba Marta? What is it called?
Yeah,
I keep saying Baba Marta. Baba Marta. Why do I keep saying Baba Marta? So here's my Martinichka. What? There are Jessica's. And Jamesy's got some. Hey James, show off your Martinichkis. There's a little elephant. Can you show us this one?
I think he likes wearing them.
He was like walking around like this. What are these things? Bye, love you. Okay. So I just got out of Spanish. I think there are some groceries. Is that the light? Yeah. Good thing I left this bag here the other day. James, just ignore the camera, okay? Just pretend it's not there.
Have a drink. Something. Uh-oh. This is for drinking, not for dumping out.
James, why do you always dump your water? Jamesy, James. So Jessica just left to go to a doctor's appointment, and I was in the other room for a little bit, and when I came back, James's shoe was on the table like this, and he had some cucumbers and tomatoes in it. Actually, there's still a tomato in there. So, yeah, I'm not really sure how that happened. No, James, you're supposed to pretend I don't have a camera. Can you put your hat on?
No way. Go.
Jamesy, why are you doing that? That's gross. Ew. Jamesy, what are you doing? hey, James, hey, hey.
I do that. Do that. Do it. So. It's my turn.
You should walk around. You don't have to just play with the camera. You can walk around and do your normal stuff. Open up your nose a little bit. Try not to touch that. It'll look dirty. Check that out. Okay, so it's like 4:20-ish right now. I need to do some reading before my class. So I'm actually going to be in James's room right here reading. I'm going to have this camera getting a time lapse, I think. I think it's on. Yeah, it looks pretty good to me. Okay, so there's the time lapse set up. In case anyone was wondering how a pro sets up a time lapse. Should I tilt it up just a little bit? Maybe? Time lapses are dumb anyway. Okay, we've still got the time lapse going in the other room. Check this out. I'm probably gonna leave the camera out there. I won't be filming all the awesome stuff in class that I normally film. Okay. I think Jessica and James are at English right now. I need to go get my camera. I wonder how much it was able to film before the battery died. I need to put a new battery in here. So what you're going to want to do is take the old battery out and then put the new one in. Just like that. That's kind of the technique I use. There are probably people out there who do it differently, but for me, that's what I've done for a long time, and I think it works. And I think it's a technique that really a lot of other people could apply. So let's go ahead and turn this on. Let's see if it works. Does it work? Okay, I realized today's Tuesday, the 1st, tomorrow's Wednesday the 2nd, and then Thursday is the 3rd, which is a holiday. I forget which holiday it is, like Bulgarian Liberation Holiday or something. So yeah, I don't have classes Thursday, so I'll probably just sleep the whole day. Anyway, I'm gonna eat some more of that taco stuff. Just wish I had some Taco Bell hot sauce.